doing? You call us?
She called. Neighbor, Miss. I just happened to be. He just in my yard. He was in my backyard. He had something trying to say, oh, he's here with his dad or something like that. Oh, okay. And so it looked like he was leaving.
Sorry. Okay.
I get back across the street and I start to go up and I see him grabbing the garbage can again and jump over the fence again. So I come back and there was a girl in I think it was a dark green Toyota Camry. She drives by and it's like, oh, he lives there. I'm like, the fuck he does.
Right. Was he a taller, light-skinned black guy?
Light-skinned black guy, about this tall.
Yeah, I think I know who it is.
I'm certain because I just watched him walk down.
How you doing?
My pops here passed.
Your what?
My pops here passed.
Your pops has passed?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on with you today?
My pops had passed.
Okay.
My sister's really sick.
Okay.
And
You got ID on you? Huh? No?
ID?
Yeah. How about what's your name?
Yeah, my dog is really sick.
Okay.
My name is...
You smoked too much methamphetamine is what happened. And this is... Yes, you have. And this is what's very common when you're on that meth psychosis. You haven't slept and you've been smoking. This is what happens. It happens to everybody, and you know that. Hey, where are you going? Stay right here, man. 2 Bravo 55. I have him out front here. You are on probation. Okay. And you got a restraining order against you? Okay.
Hey, is this all stuff?
Hey! Let him go. Let him go. Where are you going? I don't care. What are you doing? Do you know him?
Yeah, I got him.
He's about to go to jail. How do you know him?
He's my son.
Thank God. Okay. So, I don't know if you're aware of his meth use, but hey, hey! Fuck this!
Please don't shoot him, man!
Get your taser out! No!
I'll get him! Let him go! Cover! Let him go! Let him go!
No!
Let me talk to him.
No!
Let him go! Now we're gonna shoot him! Take him! Take his ass! Take it! Take it! Take it!
Hey, no! I'll stop you! Hey,
Where are you going?
No!
Get down! Shoot him! Please don't shoot him! Please don't shoot him, man!
Get your taser out! No!
Here, I'll get him! Let him go! Please go! Let him go! Let him go! Here, let me talk him, man. Do something! Let go of him! Let go of him! Tase his fucking ass! Tase him! Tase his ass! Tase him! Tase him, Herb! Tase him!